So today is Tuesday, the 1st of February. So the very first snowstorm was on Saturday, and today is Tuesday. So you have Sunday, Monday, and today. So today is the third day after the storm, and this is what it still looks like in this area. You can see like what it looks like. So what I will do, I will take a walk around here. I didn't walk here last, let's say anything. This is 50th Avenue towards 91st Place, right? So 50th Ave towards 91st Place. So this is what it's still like. This guy's buried. Look at this guy. This is the car right here. That's the mirror. It's the car right here. Look. Buried. Still buried. This guy has not even removed his car. This is 91st Place. Try to give you about 20 minutes of walk. So I'm in Elmhurst on the west side of Elmhurst, and I'm gonna be walking towards the east side of Elmhurst. I'm gonna be walking towards the west side, I believe it is. So something like that, I'm not sure of the geographical location, but I'm gonna walk from here, which is 50th Ave and 91st Place. And I'll walk on the other side of Elmhurst by the hospital, by the Elmhurst Hospital. And I'll be going to 81st Street and Roosevelt Avenue. So I'll take you on a walk on the street in that general area so you can see what it still looked like 3 days after. Look, buried. See that car still buried underneath this. This owner has not even come to clear it up yet. At the roads. Those little side roads always take a longer time to be cleared because the plows doesn't go through this as often as some of the other roads. So it's always a more challenge here. I'm gonna go this way. They didn't clean this sidewalk right here. Supposed to clean the sidewalk right here. Metal workshop right here. T-shirt place right here. T-shirt printing. If you want to print some design, whatever. We've taken a walk on this side before. We've taken it from the other direction. So some speed here. Oh. See, this is the main road. This is Corona Avenue. See how it's cleared much better than the local road that we walk by. This is another main thoroughfare right here. So you could see how this place is cleared much better than 91st place. Alright. I think in cleaning the snow up here, I think they have 3 different levels. You know, in cleaning the snow here in the US. This is the train track, the Long Island Railroad. Seen that before. There's a train coming. Maybe we can wait for that one. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me see how long it's gonna take us. Coming. There you go. There you go. There you go. Long Island Railroad. Island Railroad. Excellent. And then it's gonna pick up on that side, going towards Long Island. This goes to Long Island. This is going towards Hunters Point, Long Island City. So Long Island City is this way, Long Island is that way. Alright, let's keep the walk going. If I see any other interesting folks. By the way, I'm using a body cam, so I'm not using a real, like a vlog, like a true vlog camera. For that purpose, you know. Let me see if I can cross here before that can turn on me. Woohoo! Hi, how are you? So you got that crossing. Got crossing here, got crossing here, and a got crossing on this side. And you also have one on the other side. So you got 4 got crossing at this junction right here. They are pretty much there they have schools in the area, so you have a lot of pedestrian students walking by, so they're pretty much there for that. So this is what it still look like in Elmhurst 3 days after the snowstorm. Might have to walk a little faster so we get that 20 minutes of footage before I get to my stop. I don't want to put 2 separate videos because I don't do any editing at this point. I just put the video as is. Whatever you see, that's what I saw. It might be a little bumpy because of my steps, because of the way I walk. Might be a little bumpy here, a little shaky. Okay, so this is what it's like. This is the church right here. St. Bartholomew Church right here. This is the school, PS 14. PS in New York, I know for sure. I'm not sure what the state. PS for school stands for public schools. So if you see PS and a number, it's just that the PS is public school and the number is just the district that that public school is, and I believe that's what the number is for. But definitely the PS is public school. That's what it means. This is what it looks like. Let's see, this guy has not come check on his vehicle at all. Top of a vehicle. Okay. Simba, follow me. Catholic school. Yeah. So, hi, morning, man. So right now we're under scaffolding. They must be doing some repairs. Normally when they do repairs they put scaffolding. So this is Judge Street and Whitney Avenue. Judge Street and Whitney Ave. This is Judge Street and Whitney Ave. As they're doing repairs on the road right now. They're doing some repairs. They're doing some repairs. What's up, man? They're doing some road repairs underneath the snow. You tell me how long that's gonna last. That's not gonna last long because that asphalt will not make proper contact with the existing asphalt. So, but that's New York doing the repairs. You see this here, water. Some places is frozen, like right here, it's still frozen. Yeah, my gloves my fingers are getting a little chilly too. How far am I? Okay. Got 7 more minutes to walk before the 20 minutes is up. White, nice and white. Whitey tighty. Maneuver around the snow area so you don't slide off or stuck. So right now we're on Judge Street right now, and we're heading towards 81st Street and Roosevelt Avenue. That's what we're walking. That's the aim, is to get there in one piece. It's cold. No, I don't have corona. It's just cold. Already. Get a little bumpier here as I try to increase my stride. Nice right there. Different though. We're getting there, guys. We're getting there. Slowly but surely. Many more minutes. 5. We got 4 minutes before it shut down on me. How are you? It's keeping you busy, huh? Yeah. It's a pit bull. Yeah. Scooter. I have to pick up the pace there a little. Look at this. Still in a mess here. The white stuff is still on the ground. And it's gonna be there until that rain. Till they get a beautiful rain or the temperature start rising. Way above freezing. That's when it's gonna start melting. Trying to bury himself right now. Okay, a little over 2 minutes, so let me pick up the pace a little so I can reach at least close enough to the hospital. Show you guys part of the hospital on the other side. Because this hospital has two entrances. Both of them are considered main entrances. So if I can get to there before my 2 minutes is up. Yeah, let me see if I can have them get there. This is what it's like. Yeah, look at this motherfucker. I said, in the middle of the fucking sidewalk, you see. What you'll find here is that they got a lot of fucking lunatics around here. This is the mental hospital also, Elmhurst. So, let's see if I can cut right here. A lot of fucking lunatics. You can see this thing is definitely not being used. So I should get rid of that. Because it's not being used, it's just collecting more space for parking. NYHP, New York Hospital Police. It look like NYPD. Okay. So here we are. I'm going this way. So this is the Elmhurst Hospital. Radiology and Community Medical Center, all here. So this is the hospital, and I'm going in that direction. I'm almost at my destination, so I'll get this thing cut off. I'll be fine. Right. Speed limit. I'll walk up a little, just so I can get to my PD right here. Yeah, this is the train on Roosevelt just ahead of us, so we are